So today we will learn how to embed a presentation in LSP. For that, what all you need to do, you just need to log in first. Now this dashboard will appear over here, right? Click on the class in which you just want to embed your presentation. Next, you need to click on enable editing. Choose the week in which you just want to embed your presentation. Let's say I just want to embed that presentation in the announcement section. You can choose any week. Let's say 10 to 11 I want, right? So in 10 to 11 I'll simply go and click on add an activity or resource. When you click on activity, add an activity or resource, you need to search for URL. And this is URL. Okay, this is the URL. Here you need to click on this URL. It will ask you to specify the name. Let's say my presentation. That's the name of my new presentation. Right, that's a name I have given for that presentation to be embedded within this application. Now this is external link. What exactly you need to do here within this external link? You need to open your Google Drive. You know how to go within your Google Drive. I don't think that anybody has got a problem with that. You just need to go within the Google Drive, select your presentation that is there in terms of Google Slides. Right click on your Google slide. As you right click on that, you can see a pop-up appears over here. Click on get link. By default, it will appear like this, restricted. Okay. Click on anyone with the link. Click on copy link and done. Once you're through with this, again, go back to your LSP page. Right click on this external URL and click on paste. No need to touch anything here and just click on appearance. By default, it will show you automatic. Click on embed. Click on embed. And finally, save and return to course. After that, you can see, at the end of this, week, my new presentation will appear over here. You click on this and your presentation will be displayed within the LSP platform. So now I have embedded this presentation within the LSP platform. And if you want to present it to your student, you can simply click on present. And that, presentation will be presented within, from the LSP platform itself. And like that. That's all. Thank you very much.